Mr. G here, again, your boy from Soweto, Kabu Yellow. Danko, another dope episode of A Day in Second Street. I have a lovely, beautiful Nompumi in the house. Nompumi, how are you?
Hi, Mr. G. I'm good. How are you doing?
Good, Nompumi. Hi, Nompumi Ashisa. What a performance. What a lovely performance. Wow, Shisa Ajima.
Hayi ngiyazama shem kodwa ngiyabonga.
Awuzami uyayenza lento.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank you.
for anyone, mina personally I know who's Nompumi. For anyone who doesn't know Nompumi la ekhaya ungathi ubani uNompumi uphuma kuphi udume ngani?
All right. Unompumi is a very simple young lady, and she's a vocalist. For and foremost, that's what I'm known for. I'm a vocalist, and yeah, that's me.
But you dope. I love your music. And also one thing I picked about you, your style of writing. It's awesome. What inspires you ukuthi like ungole dipina tse mnati, so the message out there or favor to like that positive message. Ke eng e o inspire?
A inspiration ill, I think it comes from listening to whatever beat is playing during the composition of the music, honestly, because I'm not much of a writer, so I listen to the sound and I'm led by the sound, so that's how I get the message to people, I guess.
Like looking at your age, ne Nompumi, I see a young lady, ne? So tell me, what inspires you ukuthi uqule omncane kanje? Yini it's from the family or into le uzale ngayo or you took it from someone in your family?
It doesn't come from anyone.
It's a God-given
It's a
talent.
yeah, I would say that. I would say that. But the main foundation of this music thing is from church, because that's where I started. That's where I was brewed and cooked to be this vocalist that I am today.
So any coming project you have, usipane nobani unawo vele or still cooking?
I do have upcoming projects. I've worked with the likes of King Temuso. I've worked with my guy Caesar 99. I've worked with Caesar's Beats. Yeah, there are many
Lot.
people. Yes, so there's definitely new music coming from me.
So awayazi ukuthi like awutsibi music otlotopa nini, like umuntu interested ku music ngwawo like I can't ke batla music wa Nompumi awuna the actual date or otlotopa nini music wa.
Well, most of my projects that I have that are upcoming, the dates are to be confirmed, but it's something that's going to be happening within this month. Most of them. So yeah.
As a young lady as you are, so any message onkayifang a dope vocalist o tshwana le wena o young unka reng ho yena?
Yeah, I'd say, Mama, be consistent, be you, because yeah, it's yeah the streets of this music, But yeah, be consistent, keep true to your craft, Just do you and stay beautiful.
Anyone who likes to book Nompumi or your handles for business angawuthola guy.
Okay, firstly, my social media handles are at Nompomi on Instagram and also on TikTok. Then, for inquiries, for bookings, and for whatever inquiry you have, you can use the at Mpumelelo Lukelo at gmail.com.
Can you repeat it?
Mpumelelo Lukelo at gmail.com.
Le ikutlwetse bafethu ke Nompumi hayi o kaile performance ya mhlaba bafethu. Le wena if you wanna see yourself mo ku interview ya one on one, you must subscribe to our channel. Also romele dipina tsa hao re utlwe if you got what it takes to be on the show.